So friends, let's start with today's recipe. Now here I have 1 packet of Suhana Chicken Tandoori mix, and I have 250 grams of chicken cut into small pieces. Now this packet contains a thick red paste. So add this to the chicken. Now you can use chicken on the bone or you can use boneless. I'm going for boneless chicken breast. Mix this really well. You don't need to add anything else, just the paste from the packet, and set it aside for 30 minutes. Now here I have 1 packet of Suhana Butter Chicken mix. This is a powder mix. I'm just going to add half a cup of milk and whisk it really well till it's nice and smooth and set it aside. Now here I've heated my pan and I've added 1.5 tablespoon of ghee to it. I'm going to be using ghee for this recipe because it really elevates the flavor of this dish. And once the ghee is nice and hot, I'm going to add the marinated chicken pieces to the ghee. Now, cooking in ghee is also much healthier than cooking in oil. And also the flavor of the dish is really good. And this dish is like a chicken pickle. So we want to have a longer shelf life. This is a must try, guys, and it's so simple. Now mix the chicken really well with the ghee and fry the chicken for about a whole minute till all the pieces are nicely fried in the ghee. Not completely fried, just a little bit, sauteed. Now here I have made a paste in my mixer with 1 medium-sized onion and 1 medium-sized tomato. Now I'm just going to make a little bit of a gap in the pan. And I'm going to add this onion and tomato paste to the center. Just fry it a bit. In the oil, or the ghee rather. And then gently mix it with the rest of the chicken. So see that the onion and the tomato paste gets nicely mixed with the rest of the chicken and the tandoori paste. Now I'm going to add this butter chicken mix that we made with the milk and the butter chicken powder. Add that and mix that in well too. Now you don't need to add any salt as per my taste, but if you feel that you need to add more salt, you can. But this packet has everything, so you don't need to add anything. And now cover it and cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you'll find this little bit of layer of ghee that's there on top, floating on top. We need it that way. Now just mix everything really well together. We just have 2 more ingredients to go and our recipe is all ready. Now here I have my homemade mango pickle. I'll leave a link to how I made this mango pickle at home, but you can also use ready-made mango pickle. And I'm just going to add about 2 tablespoons of the mango pickle oil to this gravy. You can also take the mango pieces, mash it up a bit in a mortar and pestle and add that too. And now just mix everything well together. Turn off the heat now. See that you mix this lovely mango pickle oil into, which is infused with all the mango taste and the masala that is there in that pickle. And just mix everything well together. Now this dish has a very long shelf life, so you can store it in your refrigerator for almost a month and just take out a little bit every day and heat it up and have it. And then I'm just going to add some finely chopped coriander, and mix everything together, and our lovely chicken achari chicken is all ready. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshita's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.